Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our online class. Today we will discuss the last topic of this chapter is thermal expansion in liquid and thermal expansion in gases. Already we have discussed about how thermal expansion takes place in case of solid with different examples and its applications. Okay. Today we will discuss what is the new topic, thermal expansion in liquid. How thermal expansion means due to the absorption of heat energy, expansion takes place in case of different liquids. Okay. We know that now by the properties of matter or kinetic theory of matter, the molecules in liquids are arranged to each other for each other a small distance. Okay. In case of liquid, molecules in the liquids are arranged to each other with a small distance. It means intermolecular space is greater as compared to solid. Intermolecular force is less than solid. Okay. So in case of liquids, molecules are free to move inside the container, and also we know that liquid have no definite shape. It have only definite volume. It acquired the shape, or it contained the shape in which container it poured. Okay, it poured. Or when we just poured the particular liquid in a container, it's just automatically acquired that shape. Okay, adjust their shape in that particular container. Okay, जब भी हम किसी लिक्विड को किसी कंटेनर में रखते हैं तो कंटेनर के शेप का लिक्विड अपने आप को कर लेता है. ओके, बट इट हैव डिफरेंट वॉल्यूम. ओके, सो when you provide the heat energy, what happen? This intermolecular space is more as compared to solid, so that's why the molecules are more vibrate with higher amplitude. Vibration is very fast because they are free. They are free to move anywhere inside the container. So molecules becomes more vibrate with high amplitude, okay, inside the containers, and they are try to move other spaces. Okay, try to move anywhere inside the container. So the expansion takes place inside the liquid as well as the container, both, when we provide the heat energy. Okay, clear? But here in case of liquid, only volumetric or cubical expansion takes place. Volumetric or cubical expansion. Why? Because when we provide the heat energy, the molecules of the liquid that are having the intermolecular space more than the solid, so they are free. Easily intermolecular force will break and they becomes free to move anywhere. So they will starting spread over the inside the container. Okay, जब इसको एनर्जी देते हैं तो क्या होता है, जो मॉलिक्यूल्स है लिक्विड्स के वो बहुत ही टाइटली बॉन्ड होते हैं, स्लाइटली पैक्ड होते हैं ना, तो इसलिए उनके बीच का जो इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स है वो ब्रेक हो जाता है और इसलिए दे आर स्टार्टिंग टू स्प्रेड ओवर और फ्लो ओवर दी, ओके, इन थ्रू whole volume. So that's why here volumetric or chemical expansion takes place, not linear or superficial, because this expansion takes place in whole volume throughout the liquid. Molecules gains heat energy and moves anywhere inside the container. So that's why here chemical expansion takes place. Okay students, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, chemical expansion. Clear? We can also understand this point with one attitude. Just we take three containers Okay, one filled with ethyl alcohol, C2H5 OH, one filled with what? Water and the oil. Water and the olive oil. Then seal its mouth with a cork and a, इसके माउथ को आप बंद कर देंगे एंड जस्ट पुट हियर स्ट्रास, अभी क्या लगा देंगे? स्ट्रास लगा देंगे. ओके, नाउ जस्ट थ्रॉट ऑल 3 bottles इन हॉट वाटर कंटेनर. इन 3 bottles को आप हॉट वाटर कंटेनर में ऐसे रखेंगे हियर इन हॉट वाटर कंटेनर. देन यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट the level of the liquids in all 3 bottles, in case of all 3 waters, here you observe that different level the volume increase. Different level the volume will increase. So higher increment in the volume is this, then water, and least in oil. Least in oil, because here most oil more concentrated than the water, and water is more concentrated than what? Ethyl alcohol. That's why here intermolecular force is very strong and intermolecular space is very less. So that's why here volumetric expansion takes place least, here maximum. Here stress. So we can say that liquid expands on heating, and different liquids have different rate of expansion at the same rate of temperature. At the same rate of temperature. Okay. Next point we will discuss expansion in gas. Expansion in gas. Again, gases or gas. So in case of gases, how thermal expansion takes place? Again, in case of gases, the molecules are totally free to move anywhere, and also we know that gas have no different shape, no different size. It have only different volume. When we keep this gas in a container, okay, then it will acquire that particular volume. So in case of gases, molecules are free to move anywhere, totally free. It means intermolecular force is very weakest, and intermolecular space very more as compared to solid and liquid. Compared to solid and liquid. Okay, so when the molecules gains heat energy, they start vibrate more fastly as compared to liquids and move in different directions very fastly. So that's why the gas will spread over in all directions. So here again volumetric expansion or cubical expansion takes place. Clear? Okay. Again we can understand this point with an activity. What? Just take a bottle that is filled with hydrogen gas, okay, and seal this bottle with a balloon, okay, fit it rubber balloon, fix this bottle, mouth of this bottle, or this one, mouth of this bottle cover with a balloon, okay, and just throw out this hydrogen gas bottle in a hot water. What you will observe that? You will observe that after a few minutes the balloon start inflating in a bigger size. The balloon will start inflating. The balloon फूलना शुरू हो जाएगा ना? Clear? Because the thermal expansion takes place in hydrogen molecules of hydrogen gas, and these molecules start to spread over inside the balloon. So balloon becomes inflated. Balloon becomes inflated. So we can say that again, gases depend on heating in volume, and expansion in gases is very large as compared to solid and liquid. In case of gases, already we know that the kinetic theory of matter, molecules are very free, totally free. The distance between the molecules, means intermolecular space, is very large as compared to solid and liquid. So they are free to move anywhere. So when they gain the heat energy, easily breaks the intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules, and molecules are again free to move anywhere. So they can move anywhere in all directions. So that's why here again cubical or volumetric expansion takes place. Okay students, so in this way we can say that in case of liquid and gases only volumetric or cubical expansion takes place, but in case of solid either linear or superficial or volumetric expansion takes place. Okay students, so this is the overall idea about this chapter heat. Go through these topics and try to understand better. Thank you. Have a nice day.